This is CGTN, China Global Television Network.
And staying in North Africa, where over 2.5 million students and their teachers have reported to over 6,000 schools across Tunisia. This comes after a long break due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Health authorities have put in place measures to curb the spread of the coronavirus as schooling resumes across the North African nation. Here is Adnan Shawashi with more details.
This primary school in downtown Tunis is one of the 6,130 public educational institutions in Tunisia. Hundreds of children are looking forward to meeting their friends following 3 months of holidays. They are talking about going back to school during the COVID-19 pandemic after learning preventive measures.
I know that I must wash my hands, wear a face mask and maintain social distancing.
I'm happy to be back at school. I love my school and classmates.
Some parents have called for the vaccination of their children, while many others are convinced that young people are at very low risk of getting COVID-19.
I'm for the vaccination of my child. I accept it. It's necessary.
I won't let my kid get vaccinated unless there's scientific research and evidence that it is both safe and efficient.
The Education Department wants to ensure a return to normalcy in the school system after the cancellation of the group system, which adversely affected learning. During that time, children could only go to school in small groups for 2 or 3 days per week. Now they have resumed a 5-day study week.
I am vaccinated and ready for this new academic year. Last year, the group system was meant to reduce the number of children in class and to respect social distancing. However, it turned out
the health situation is improving in Tunisia, but we remain vigilant because a new wave of infections could hit the country. All our workers are vaccinated. We urge all parents to get vaccinated to protect themselves and their children.
According to the Health and Education Departments, nearly 70% of Tunisian teachers have been vaccinated.
The Tunisian Education Minister declared that the number of pupils enrolled in educational institutions this year has increased by over 65,000 compared to the same period in 2020. Experts advocate for all pupils, teachers and staff to wear masks while indoors in school. Adnan Shawashi, CGTN, Tunis.